So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to set up agent handover for your chatbot to communicate with a customer support agent real time. So here it's a demo of me setting it up. Then I'll give you a walkthrough how I went about it. So just say a simple hello, and the chatbot is responding now. And I would like to speak to an agent, and then give me messenger, because in my VanChat dashboard I set up messenger. So now I'll show you how I set up messenger so you can set up agent handover. So head over to your VanChat dashboard. In your VanChat dashboard, click on store and products. In store and products, you will see the box called agent handover. Click on agent handover. Here are the different communication medium to which you can set up your agent. So you can configure for email, for call, WhatsApp, and here this is Messenger, which I have configured, and that's how you set up agent handover.